I believe many of you have attended exhibitions, and have you ever wondered about the processes involved in getting the exhibits ready for display? Agility Fairs and Events is a leading exhibition and event specialist in managing the logistics for exhibitions and events, and is part of a network in 34 countries, handling 6,500 events and servicing close to 35,000 exhibitors globally. Our challenge is to better plan and execute the movement of exhibits into and out of diverse and dynamic event sites with greater efficiency. Your solution must provide a digital dynamic floor plan format for event spaces that can integrate into our systems to provide real-time visibility when exhibits are delivered to booth. There should be algorithms supporting efficient logistics using the floor plan, cargo details, and information from timetables for move-in and move-out. This provides an on-time information to reroute and reschedule movements when required. The solution should also enable geolocation capability within the event space linked to floor plan. It should help make navigation more efficient and identify choke points on show floor early. Now, in addition to this prize money that you're looking at, the digital dynamic floor plan could be a system that could be marketed to many show organizers globally as an independent product, leveraging on our global presence. Now, the exhibitions and events logistics industry is looking for game changers. Come, take up this challenge as we are ready to take the leap with you.